everyone, my name is Bhakti Jaiswal. I reside in Mumbai working with WhiteHat Jr as a graphic designer in Team B2B. Every moment at WhiteHat Jr has been very positive and a learning experience. But the moment which stops my mind every time is getting RNR for 3 times and winning nomination for the People's Choice Award. I believe in this journey with WhiteHat Jr, the strongest pillar were my teammates who had constantly believed me and my work as well, and hence I received the Hall of Fame award. The company is constantly growing, as initially we were having one course with us, now we have 3 different courses with us. Also, we are very proud to see so many schools with the same vision of WhiteHat Jr. The culture at WhiteHat Jr has been very flexible. Full ownership of work is being taken care by all the team members, and also big and obvious ideas are always welcome. Instantly recognized by the work we perform, and also the engagement activities in B2B department is very cheerful for the team members. WhiteHat Jr is world's leading edtech brand, which is constantly believing in innovating and growing. Working with WhiteHat Jr is always full of excitement.